Welcome to this tutorial on how to create a radio user and connect your radios to mobile devices using a radio over IP gateway. To begin, make sure you have a radio over IP gateway set up and ready to go with at least one donor radio connected. Then, log in to your Fusion admin account. Navigate to the Users tab and select New User. At the top of the page, change the user type to Third-Party 3GPP. In the first name field, enter the serial number of the gateway. In the last name field, enter the port number you will be using for the donor radio. This helps clearly identify which donor radio the account is associated with. Next, enter the phone number of the SIM card inside the gateway. If needed, you can use a placeholder number or a number associated with a device you own. You may skip the email, position, and user profile fields at the bottom. Next, click on the Department tab and type 2 asterisks. This will bring up all departments and allow you to add the device to a department channel. Each port or donor radio can only be placed into one channel or talk group. If you wish to assign to another group and not to a department group, you can leave this blank and skip directly to the Activation tab. This is an important step. Be sure to check user password, then click Create at the bottom of the page. Once the user is created, the system will display the username, password, FQDN, and client secret. You will need to copy these credentials and enter them into your gateway. This will connect the radio talk group with the Fusion talk group, allowing your radio users to communicate with mobile users and vice versa. Now that the donor radio user has been created, the final step is to assign it to a talk group or channel. This allows communication between mobile users and radio users within that group. For this example, we will assign the donor radio to a channel. Scroll down and click on the Channels tab. From here, you can either create a new channel for radio over IP or add the radio user to an existing channel. To create a new channel, enter a name, then search for and select the radio user, along with any mobile users you want to connect. After adding all users, assign a zone to the channel and click Next. On the second page, set the channel's priority level and configure any transmit restrictions if needed. Once everything is set, click Create. It's important to note that each port or donor radio can only be placed in one talk group or channel at a time. That's it. Your radio users and mobile users can now join the same channel and communicate seamlessly. If you want to set up multiple channels or talk groups with radio over IP capabilities, simply add additional donor radios and assign them to different channels or talk groups. You now know how to create and manage radio over IP gateway users. Thank you for following this tutorial.